In this video, I will show you how to change the DPI settings on your Samsung phone. DPI stands for dots per inch, and it affects how content appears on your screen. A higher DPI means more detail and sharper images, while a lower DPI makes everything larger but less sharp. First things first, open the phone settings. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll all the way down until you reach an option labeled Developer Options. If this option isn't visible, it means you need to enable developer options on your device first. There's a link in the description below that leads to video tutorial. Tap on it to open it. In this section, look for a search button at the top right corner of your screen. Type in minimum width and hit search. Now, you'll see an option labeled minimum width, which is where you can adjust your DPI settings. Tap on it. To change the DPI, simply type in a value between 350 and 500 pixels per inch. A higher number will make everything smaller but allow more content on screen, while a lower number will increase size but reduce content visibility. Make small adjustments according to your preference. After entering your desired value, it's crucial to restart your device for these changes to take effect properly. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the DPI settings on your Samsung phone. So, that wraps up this tutorial.